Hello guys! Today I'm
playing Cheating!
Yes!
But it's dark, so we're gonna build our base later.
Yes, and today I'm with Mrs. Serino.
I'm with Mr. Bros Cabeños.
Mrs. Serino, what happened?
Bro, don't call me Mrs. Serino or else I will call you Mr. Bro Cabeños forever.
Wait a minute.
You can't.
Jump. Get
Bro!
it.
You have to do the other camera around.
Okay.
There!
Parkour?
Bro, can
Ah! Yes, so we got this. Let's play Survive the Cup. Survive Mrs. Serino's Cup. Okay. Ah! Let's play that. Survive Mrs. Serino's Cup. Let's play that. I'm gonna go hide. Guys, I'm gonna hide with use of this. In here, I have to dip it up.
Kung baka tumawag ang iyong mami, wala na naman yan. Kang may luba.
Dip it. Oh, it's working. Let's try on this again. Whoa, how spin it is. A spin mop. Let's try it again. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, it's not working. Let's try it. Whoa! Mop experiment. Oh, let's try it again. Oh, that was close. Let's try it one more time. Then it's done. Whoa! It's an experiment.
Lagay mo sa channel 5.
Whoa!
Lagay mo daw sa channel. Ganyan lang
Cardo Dalisay. Okay? So, where's Cardo Dalisay? Let's watch everyone, guys!
Hindi. Channel 5. Channel 5 sige.
Let's go!
Walang channel 5.
Ay,
Let's go watch!
ano ka pala? Basahin mo daw yung chat ni Mama Ems mo dahil kung ano daw ang kakainin
Let's
mo.
go!
Dali na! Tapos
Guys!
i-message mo siya kung anong kakainin mo.
Let's go watch the first episode of Cardo Dalisay in the TV!
Antay si Mami.
And also, guys, Cardo Dalis. Okay, ulit. First, we're gonna try the promotion of the map experiment. Look. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Again, let's try it. One more time.
Siya, bukas wala kang ano.
Whoa! See? It's good. I'm going to chat.
Pinalagay mo na sa 8 at ay sa 5. Okay, bigyan.
I'm gonna use this to do it.
Dali na.
Okay. The chat says, there says in here. Okay, I'm gonna chat this.
Dali na.
Okay, I will do it. Okay, since it says, and let's see what's the message. Oh, it's message, and it message says,
Nakikinig.
watch the episode of Cardo Dalisay. Yes, I want to watch the episode of Cardo Dalisay. Here. Okay, let's watch the episode of Cardo Dalisay. And also, before we're watching the episode of Cardo Dalisay, we're gonna...
Champurado.
No,
Just steak.
no,
Lunch.
no po, wala, nothing. Wala po, wala.
Kalbasa. Oh, ginisang kalbasa. Masarap yun.
No. On here, let's spin again a mop. Woo! It's... Ayoko po.
Ayan o yung babaw na. Hindi wala kaming pagkain dyan.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets si Mama.
Jollibee.
Oh, Jollibee na naman.
Okay, let's spin it here. Again, let's try it again. With...
Ito isda ayaw mo. Tapos may ginisang gulay.
Ayoko pritong isda. Let's try it.
Oh, ilasad yun na.
Oh no! Oh no! I have to hurry up! Let's watch the episode of Cardo Dalisay!
Yung batang ito din na matanaw.
Cardo Dalisay! Cardo Dalisay. Cardo Dalisay. Cardo Dalisay.
Hoy! Ano kang gusto mo?
Wala. Order,
Wala kang ba?
order na lang Jollibee.
Jollibee na naman!
Okay! Cardo Dalisay! Cardo Dalisay! Look! The TV has been opened!
Ano sa burado? This is steak. Ayaw mo rin.
Ayoko din.
Ayan o, yung babaw na eh.
Jollibee na lang.
Oh, there we go.
Cardo Dalisay!
Burger steak.
Okay, we're watching Cardo Dalisay! Full movie of Cardo Dalisay.
Burger steak. Ano lang?
Oh,
Sinukat mo na ba ito?
actually ko wala po. Okay, now the episode of Cardo Dalisay!
Ay, sinagot mo na, Argay, na inian mo na. Yan,
Okay, TV5. I mean, Cardo Dalisay. Okay.
Batang Quiapo!
TV5.
Batang Quiapo daw. Batang Quiapo.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam baka Maria at hindi naman.
Ano? Let's watch this. Cardo Dalisay.
Hindi, Batang Quiapo. Kaya wala na yung dalita. Batang Quiapo.
Oh, okay.
Batang Quiapo.
Cardo Dalisay. Okay, here's Cardo Dalisay.
Ano yan? Hindi na, alagyan natin yung, alisin mo na, tingnan natin ito ng petsa. Ama, patingin. Anak ko na.
Ah, there's...
Ay, hindi pa dun. Alisin mo muna, alisin mo. Ako mamimili.
Here we are.
Episode... Ano ang petsa tayo ngayon?
January 20.
21 na eh.
January 20. 2025. Okay, that's Cardo Dalisay. Oh, the movie is starting! It's starting! It is starting! Oh, Cardo Dalisay! Look, it's Cardo Dalisay. It's Cardo Dalisay. I switched it to Cardo Dalisay, the movie. Okay, it's Cardo Dalisay. It's Christopher. It's Christopher Mars.
Ano, makita ka?
Christopher Mars.
Makita? Hindi. Ano yan?
Christopher Mars. I want the episode of Christopher Mars. Christopher Mars. Oh, it's Christopher Mars. Wrong. Wrong. Mali po.
Mali, nilagay mo na sa ano.
I'm
Sa
going to...
YouTube, sa YouTube nilagay.
Okay, the Cardo Dalisay fans.
Ano yan yung YouTube yan. Ano, ay dali. Eh, Batang Quiapo. Batang Quiapo. Ay, YouTube na nga pala ilalagay mo. Number, ano, lalagay yung number...
Okay, Cardo Dalisay. Okay. Team Cardo. Team Cardo. Team Cardo. Team Cardo. Okay. Cardo Dalisay. And it's Cardo Dalisay. Cardo Dalisay. Ay, Christopher Mars. Christopher Mars.
Ha? Mahirap pa nga natin.
Now, since it's there,
Hoy!
I'm gonna do it to Cardo Dalisay. Cardo Dalisay. I'm searching Cardo Dalisay. Yes. Where? This is the Cardo Dalisay.
Yes, karta po dalisa yan.
Hindi makuha, pare. Dapat channel ko.
Aray, hindi aray.
Cardo Dalisay. Okay, this is more black monsters.
Oo ha. Kunin na yung
Black monsters.
remote. Kunin mo yan, remote.
Yeah, a black monster. Black monsters. Okay, there's a black monsters. Black monsters. Where? Cardo Dalisay. Ugachi. I'm watching Cardo Dalisay. Oh, but black monster, it's too. Cardo Dalisay.
Saan?
Okay, so
Ay, ewan ko yun.
okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Bye.